Hello everyone and welcome back to another Zano this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Zano Trade platform. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do this using Bandit. So as you can see in my wallet, I currently have Zano here and a bunch of other assets, and I also have Bandit here. So as you can see, I have 10 Bandit tokens and I have 5.91 Zano. So if I go ahead and connect my Zano companion app, which I already have here, as you can see, connected here, I'm going to go ahead and click the Bandit/Zano pair, which is 179 asset number. So now I need to scroll down to the order book. And as you can see here, I can see all the body, the orders, and then I can go ahead and see the sell orders. So to buy, I obviously want to go to the sell one. I want to check for the auto bot here, and this is going to be instant. So I'm going to go ahead and click this here. And then I need to change the amount to a more reasonable amount. So let's say 10, click buy. As you can see down here on my orders, you can see that this is my order here. And I can go ahead and accept the order simply by clicking apply. The Zano sent you a load. As you can see here, I'm sending 0.1 Zano and I'm receiving 10 Bandit. I just need to click confirm. Then if I go back to my wallet, go to history, as you can see, I can now have 10 Bandit. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video is helpful.